Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is February the 28th, Wednesday morning, and today we got Tesla, Amazon, ARM, and Nvidia here on the watch list. So let's run through this right quick. On Tesla, as you guys can see on Tesla had a little nice move a couple days ago, rejected off that around that 205-ish key level. Once again, yesterday retested that level, had some rejection off that level, had a nice pullback. Since then, kind of been consolidating in this range, as you guys can see. So what I'll be looking for here is once the market opens, the market is kind of moving down to the downside here in the pre-market. So if we start seeing some aggressive sell-off, looking for Tesla to get a break of that pre-market low as well as that yesterday's low. We do have this slight gap. Well, actually, we don't. That's towards the upside. All right, so yeah, I will be looking for a retest of this 195 key level. As you guys can see, previously that level has been a strong resistance, as you guys can see. So I want to see that level get tested, hold that level strong. Maybe we get a pullback here tomorrow or the next sometime this week or sometime next week, and retest that 207 key level, or we might not even get there and we just start seeing some aggressive pullback and start moving back to the downside. But all in all, we'll see how it goes. But I'm just, like always, just looking for a quick scalp and letting the price action, just playing the price action with the levels that I do have. But yeah, that's pretty much it on Tesla coin. Next we got coin looking pretty good. Had a nice move here on a daily chart. You guys could see really nice aggressive move, broke through that 190 key level, and it had a nice strong move here towards that 209-ish key level. As you guys can see, pre-market got above that level, and we are seeing some sort of consolidation. We slightly got a dip below that 209, but it's getting back up and kind of seeing some consolidation here above that level. So what I would like to see is we get a nice move here towards the upside. Once the market opens, I want to see this pull back, hold that 98, hold that VWAP and that prior day high, and I want to see some continuation here, break of that pre-market high, and just rip in here towards the upside. But that's pretty much the game plan here on coin. So we got to be patient off the open, let it set up, and see what kind of moves in price action that we are going to be getting. Next, we got Amazon. Amazon looking pretty good. Amazon is following the trend here in the market. As you guys can see, had an aggressive sell-off here in pre-market, had a nice move here, got below this prior day low, and had a nice rejected off that key level this 172, retested that prior day low. We are getting some rejection, but we are kind of seeing some consolidation here above that 172. So once the market opens, I want to see this get a slight move here, retest that yesterday's low, get a rejection, start getting some sell-off, break of that 172 prior day, not prior day, pre-market low. We do have this slight gap that we do need to fill here on the daily chart. So if we do get below that, break that 172, we might see some move down to that 169.8, 170-ish. So we'll see how that plays out, but it's looking like a really nice setup that personally that I do like. So we shall see. Next we got ARM. Similar play, as you guys can see, had a decent sell-off yesterday. As you guys can see, kind of found support around that key level, that 137, and kind of consolidating later that afternoon, as well as aftermarket. And as you guys can see, we had a little nice sell-off here, got below that yesterday's low, had a little nice pullback, rejected off around that area, and you guys basically can see we are slowly coming down, consolidating, staying above that pre-market low. What I would like to see is retest that yesterday's low, get rejection, start selling off. We do have a room down to that 126, so we might see some nice moves. So you got to be patient, let the market play out, let the price action play out, the trades. And I would like to see some aggressive pullback here on SPY and QQQ. If not, we'll see how it goes. Next, we got Nvidia. Nvidia looks pretty nice as well. Nvidia, as you guys can see, well, kind of coming back down now, but had a aggressive sell-off, which I missed out on yesterday off the open. Huge sell-off, great move, great price action, and all that got back up, got above that 785, kind of been holding above that, been consolidating. Pre-market had aggressive sell-off, found a support of around that prior day low, pulling back up, rejected off that around that 785, slightly selling off, but we are still staying above that prior day low as well as that 772 key level. I would like for this to show us a little slight move here and then start pulling back, break of those levels. I would definitely like to see. I'm hoping for some move like this from like yesterday's open, but obviously, you know, you never know. So we'll see how it goes. Just gotta pay attention to the market. You gotta be patient and all that good stuff. So hopefully let's get some good trades in. Finish this week off strongly. I hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are being disciplined and getting some good trades in, making some bread. But with that being said, market is gonna open here in 3 minutes. So I'll see you guys soon once I find any setup. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try 2 contracts there. Not the best entry, but pretty aggressive move here on QQQ. Looking for a quick scalp break at that pre-market low. Not looking for a home run. Just a quick breakdown to the downside. Oh, pretty aggressive sell-off here on the market. Aggressive sell-off. I like to see Tesla picking up some momentum here. What a sell-off. Oh yeah, that's crazy. That is a crazy move. I'm gonna go ahead and take a break even on that one. Aggressive pullback. Not gonna even try to stay around for that. Yeah, there it goes. Not even gonna risk it. Look at that. Look at that pullback. Alright, I'm in there 2 contract. I'm gonna try that once again. Market pulling back pretty aggressive. Alrighty. Beautiful. Market is just melting through that. Beautiful. We are getting below that level. Let's see if we could get a break of that pre-market low. Oh my God, beautiful sell-off. Come on, Tesla, follow through. Trying to give it some time. Beautiful. I'm gonna get out there once again. Pretty big pullback. Not looking to stay around to find out how much it's gonna pull back. Could have been a fake out, but it's okay. Once again, pretty break-even trade on that. So 2 for 2. Both of them, not much going on. Looks like these breakouts might not be working this morning, so I have to be extremely careful. Extremely be careful. Looks like we might be getting some move here towards the upside, finally breaking out of that range. I'm gonna go ahead and try 2 contracts there, looking for that pre-market high break. Just looking for a quick scalp. Beautiful. Looking for some continuation here. Looking for some big orders to come in. Getting some rejection there. Trying to give it some time. There we go. We're breaking out of that range. Looking for some continuation here. I'm gonna go ahead and secure that. It's just having a hard time. I don't want to get that pulled back, and of course it's gonna go without me. That's crazy. But we did secure 162 on that, so not gonna complain. It's just having a hard time, and the market pulling back aggressively. I am fighting against the market's trend, so not gonna sit around and try to find out on that pullback. So I mean, once again, it did reject off that level, off the open as well. It's having an extremely hard time, so why even risk it? I'm already caught, what, about a point, what's that, like 85, 67 I got out at. That's about almost a point, I believe. But we got 162 on that, so I'll take that all day. I'll take that all day, and I've been stocking coin all morning looking for that move. Didn't get that perfect move I was looking for, but it is what it is. It's having extremely difficulty getting above that, getting that continuation. Market pulling back, fighting the trend. Not worth it, not worth it. Yep, just like I said, look at that aggressive pullback. It might be looking like it might reset as long as it holds above that VWAP and 90 EMA strong. But just like that, this morning, it's a lot of fake outs. You gotta be in and out. You gotta read the level 2s and the timing cells, all that good stuff, and just the whole market structure. You just gotta read it. But 3 trades, I mean, felt like our execution was just on point this morning, especially with the market condition that we were having. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I believe we made like 48 on that Tesla trade, about $7 on the first one, and then like 30 something on the second one. Basically break even. I start seeing them start pulling back, got out quick, didn't want to find out for those pullbacks. As you guys can see, a lot of fake outs, so I noticed that and took advantage of those. Not much there, but definitely minimized our risk and was in and out and caught a decent move on this coin trade. So we're up, what, 200 on the day. So I'm gonna take it all day, every day. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. So I hope you guys had some good trades in this morning. Hopefully you guys are not getting caught up in these fake outs and whatnot. But alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we are gonna be done on the day. Market pulling back up, pretty choppy though. Still a lot of fake outs, trading somewhat of a sideway. So not gonna. I mean, we scaved without getting touched green. So I don't need to be out here sitting around risking the profits on the day. So days like this we want to avoid. Days that extremely volatile, we want to take advantage. But yeah, with that being said, we're already up really nicely on the day. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. So let's go ahead and import our trade from our interactive brokers account for the day into TradeZilla, and let's do it. Alrighty. So as you guys can see, we are up $212 on the day. First trade on Tesla, break even, made $5 on that. So basically that covered my commission fee, my commission fees. Next trade was once again Tesla, 2.5%, about $43. And lastly but not least, we made a little nice profit here on coin 164, about 9% gain on that. So all in all, profitable day, $212. I'll take that all day, every day. You know what I mean? That's like, let's see, let's actually do some numbers. So 212, divide that by 8, that's $26 an hour of a job, basically, in 30 minutes or so. So market open at 7:30. It's almost 7:30. It's not even an hour yet, basically almost an hour, and we already made what somebody that's getting paid $26 an hour would earn, slaving, working hard. So I like to think of it like that sometimes. So from that kind of perspective, to not get greedy or things of that nature. Because I mean, if you're looking at these kind of days and you're comparing it to these kind of days, like these big days where like 2.7k, 1k, like these kind of days, like 1.2, like those kind of days, you kind of start to lose the reality in the sense of money. Like a lot of us, I feel like why we are not profitable, because you kind of detach from the reality and you just see a number on the screen. So you're like, oh, I need to make because so and so made so much money online, and you see them. And so you got to understand, at the end of the day, you got to be realistic with your goals. We're not trying to become a millionaire by tomorrow. Our goal is to make small profit but consistent profit. That's the goal, the overall goal. But obviously my goal is to flip that 10,000 to 100,000. But I'm not trying to do it in like a week. You get what I'm saying? It's a process, not only for me but for also people watching that's hopefully are inspired and whatnot. I want to show you guys the reality of it. You know what I mean? Sometimes you're gonna have a really nice big winner, sometimes small winners, but you gotta understand, even these small winners are not really small. Like you gotta really keep that in mind. People really work 8 hours to make $200, and that's above minimum wage. So I hope you guys understand. I believe the minimum wage in the state I live in, I think, is like $15 an hour for 8 hours. Like, let's just do the math right quick. That's 120. That's ridiculous. Like 120, how are people even surviving? Like, but anyways, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Is like, when you guys have these kind of days where it might not seem big to you, understandable, but you also gotta be realistic with your goals. Have a realistic goal, and understand that, look, you're having $100, $200, $300, $400 days. Those are good days. Like, don't get discouraged. Like, those are really, really good days. Don't get discouraged because so and so made $5,000 that day, but you made 200. Like, understand, you guys are on two different chapters of your trading careers. That person might have been doing it for 10, 20 years. Of course, those are gonna be his regular days, and he also has a different life that you don't. It might be good, it might be bad, but at the end of the day, your life is your life, your goal is your goal, and you against you. It's not you against the market or the other person. It's like, study but consistent. That's the point of the game. Study but consistent. Play the defense game. That's how you will always win. Play the defense game. I don't mean as in be scared or be fearful of losing, but I just mean play the defense game. I hope you guys understand. But But all in all, I mean, still really profitable week so far. Green week. Last week was a really nice week as well. We got 2 more days till this week finishes, so hopefully we get some good trades in tomorrow and Friday. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.